Please all participants confirm me. Are you hearing me? Okay, we are working on how to create point plot. So we are at script writing stage. I will do library, ggplot 2 and run. No, next step is script writing. So when you want to write any script, the first letter or first word should be function name. So type here QPL. It will give you suggestion. Select QPL from suggestion. We already have discussed in our previous steps component of plot. So there are three main component of plot. First is data. Type here data. It will give you suggestion. Select data. Second, provide it's your data name. Our data name is ficus. So type ficus, comma. Next step, you need to define. Please all participant type these codes or these scripts with me. Second step, you need to define mapping. Mapping means define x and y axis. So first I will define x equal petal underscore length, y equal sepal underscore. I have defined two axes, x and y axis. Now I need to define geom. Geom means type of graph. So type here geom, select geom equal, with an inverted comma, type point. So it is a complete script for creating a point plot. Click and run. In my side, it is giving me an error. Please all participant run this script and confirm me error or plot. If you get a plot, type plot. If you get an error, type error. Please all participant type this script and confirm me plot or error. In my side, there is an error message. Now I am waiting for your reply. Please type done so that I can move to next step. Okay, there is an error on your side also. At basic stage, you can four type of errors. You can face four type of error. Number one, you can face package not found. There will be package name, package dash, not found. You may be face function not found. There will be function name, function, and dash. There will be function name, not found. Third is object not found. Object not found. There will be object name in dash. And last one is unexpected symbol. So you can face four basic type of errors in R. First, package not found. It's mean you have not any package or you have not package which you are going to use. So its a solution is you need to install package. Its answer is install package. If your error is function not found, it's mean you need to run library. You need to turn on your package. So turn on your package. If you face object not found, it's mean issue in data. issue in data. You need to check your data carefully and then rewrite your script again. Next is unexpected symbol. Unexpected symbol mean you have typed some wrong symbol, for example, comma, plus sign, equal sign, bracket. You have typed some wrong uh, symbol. So if you get this type of an error, it's mean unexpected symbol. No, first we need to understand the error from screen number 4 and then we will resolve this issue. Now please all participants come to screen number 4 and check here in my site. This error have two parts. First is error in geom point. Second is caused by error. Our focus will be on caused by error. Caused by error is important for us. It is showing an object pattern length not found. We are facing third type of error, object dash not found. When you found this error object, it's mean issue in data. We need to confirm in data. It's showing us if you read error petal length. So there is an issue in petal length. We need to confirm petal length is available in our data. Click on ficus file. Yes, petal length is available. Now again click on script file. It will show you script. Yes, petal length is available. Then you need to check spelling, petal length, and match with your file data spelling. Petal length spellings are also correct. Again, you need to confirm upper and lowercase letters, small or capital letters. So again, click on ficus file and confirm P is capital, L is small. But in my script, P is small. So I will type capital P. Now I have identified and resolved issue. Now I will run again it. Click and run again. It will show me again error. Again error is same. Object sepal length not found. In our previous case, petal length not found, no sepal length not found. It means we need to again confirm its spelling. Spellings are correct. I need to confirm its upper or lowercase letter. So here S is capital, I have typed small s. So give S capital and run it again. It will show you a point plot in screen number 4. Now I have done this step. Copy this image, open WhatsApp group and share. Please all participants confirm, have you done this step? I have done this step, so I am going to type here, done. And in our next class, we will start from this topic to onward. So please all participants draw this plot, and if you are unable to draw, no, don't worry. I will share recording, do practice, and hopefully you will done. If not available, not unable to, or not, if you are unable to create this plot, you can share your screen in next class because time of my batch 94 is going to start, and there was a message from students about link, so I want to share link to batch 94. Okay, so our next class will be on Monday because your class schedules is Monday to Thursday. So 2 days is Thursday, and no, our next class will be on Monday. Okay, thank you, and Allah Hafiz.